Hey, you guys, hi, welcome or welcome back to the channel, as the case may be. So, we are finally doing this, we are. I just wanted to, do a really quick intro for you guys because, I've been making some hair tutorials and I've been posting, and I'm sure a lot of you guys don't know who I am. So I'm here to introduce myself to you guys. Okay, this is usually the first video that you put out there once you come on, on here to make videos, but I didn't. But I think that I should do this for you guys so that you know a little bit about me. So I just want to welcome you all to this channel. My name is Jane Frances Ezonye, and I am a Nigerian living in Abuja. Guys, this feels a little weird if I'm being honest, because I've gotten quite comfortable with, filming some of these hair tutorials and just, giving you voiceovers, but we get through this. So, yeah, this channel is going to be all about, some hairdos, some twists, some braids, some locks, and overall trending a beautiful hairstyle. We're going to be talking about some, skincare, self-care, and oral care. If you want to level up your oral hygiene games, please stay tuned, because I am a dental healthcare provider and I've got you covered on that one. Now, if any of this piques your interest, please do well to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that you be the first to get notified whenever I post a new video. Now, that said, as we go, this channel is going to evolve. Because you guys, I am African. I love my culture and heritage. And I'm going to be showcasing you some of those really beautiful, rich African cultures. So if that sounds interesting to you as well, please do subscribe to the channel, you guys. Just, subscribe. Guess what, you guys? Yes, it's my birthday, you guys. I am so excited. I am happy. I feel blessed. So, and this is the first one that I'll be doing on here with you guys. And I just want you to say a prayer for me. Just wish me well, all right? And do that by subscribing, you guys. Subscribe to this channel. Let's go through this journey together. I really do appreciate those of you who already subscribed and been watching some of the hair care, some hairdo contents that I've been dropping out there. I do appreciate all of you, and let's do this. Let's get this together. So thank you all. So stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay happy, all right? Stay glowing. So yeah, and see you on my next one. And don't forget to subscribe, all right? Bye, guys.